Understanding current day, a guide to everyday English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, current day. This is a common phrase in English, and understanding it can really help in everyday conversations and in understanding news and media. Let's dive in. Current day refers to the present day or the day that is happening now. It's used to talk about events, situations, or conditions that are occurring at the time of speaking or at the time being discussed. For example, if someone says, "In the current day, technology is advancing rapidly," they mean that in today's time, technological progress is happening quickly. This phrase is often used in comparisons or when discussing changes over time. For instance, when comparing the past with now, you might hear, "Back in the 90s, we didn't have smartphones like we do in the current day." It highlights the difference between a past period and today. There are several phrases similar to current day that you might come across. These include today, in the present, nowadays, in this day and age. Each of these can be used in slightly different contexts but generally mean the same as current day. Be careful not to confuse current day with currently. While current day refers to the entire day, currently refers to what is happening at this very moment. For example, currently, I am making a video versus in the current day, making videos is a popular activity. I hope this explanation clears up any confusion about the phrase current day and helps you use it correctly in your conversations and writing. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts is the key to mastering them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.